get a lot of calls from people who get in a wreck, but they're not injured, and they want us to help them. And it's hard for a lawyer to really help you if there's only property damage. And the reason really is because if there's damage to your car, it's pretty easily, to ascertain what the value of a messed up bumper or a dented fender is on whatever kind of car. So there's not a lot to argue about, where on injury cases and medical bills and what's a torn labor worth, that's much more confusing because it might not be the same for each person, and there's a lot more to argue about. And the insurance knows that people can't just look up what that's worth in the Kelly Blue Book, so they're more likely to try to lowball you. And there's just a lot more complexities to injury cases. So we can get involved in those, add a lot of value, make the case a lot more valuable for the client, get them a fair deal. Where if you got a messed up bumper on a Honda Civic, there's a price for that, and I can't make it worth more, and they're not going to lowball you as much on that because they know, even the insurance companies typically will pay for property damage much more readily than they will for an injury.